giving you the greatest show on earth from Danger Room Social Club. Stay connected.
We don't want all type of contests. He put in his work, you know what I mean? So everybody make some noise for Beanie Tracks. Stay
Everybody have an open ear for my son. Tracks.
Just wanted to say, thank y'all for coming out. Thank y'all for giving me the chance to put up here. Thanks to all the artists for having, the heart to get up here too, because this shit ain't easy. But besides that, I'm gonna give you an intro to the track. This first one I'm gonna do, this one's called No Way Out. This is the reason why I rap. This is me sitting in my room thinking why, where, who, why, everything. When it comes down to rap, it's how I found my path. Play that.
Get him.
Try to follow the story. Be first or be last night victim. They killing death to the plane. It's a crash sight done. Every day is like your last night living. So spend it. Your 2 cents can get you half price. One. Memory ain't the only one that bring it back.
Like I said, homie been putting in work for a while.
Yes.
Y'all don't know what the fuck that got yourself into.
Yeah. Be first or be last night victim. They killing death to the plane. It's a crash sight done. Every day is like your last life living and spend it. So 2 cents can get you half price. One. Memory ain't the only one that have price. I pray paid so to the brain to get back price. You try to shit, you get your ass white. They think I'm bugging here, I told them I don't have lights. Get it, bugging here, I'm itching to get ahead. Scratching the kitten, only love when I'm in her bed. She give me more chance than the Las Vegas strip. When I give her with my future, watch the tarot cards. Toss and turn in my bed, thoughts are not having no support in my head. No matter what I thought, it was often for bread. So of course, all that's on my mind was how to be a boss. Again, because my stomach empty and my hunger plenty. Feels like everything I need, don't want it with me. When I'm fucked up, mistakes are coming with me. The politics of life, they always run against me. Statistic of ghetto habits, like a friend who told it I never had shit. I'm from the dirt, the flowers smoking trees and the weeds. When you act like Tess, we all average. The road to riches has many routes. Which one's gonna get me out? Look at the crossroad, all of these poor souls. I should push keys, cause there's too many doors closed. Mama need rent, and that baby need more clothes. Maybe I should pimp sell pussy like porno. Maybe my gun a bang. Maybe I should hop up on this nigga then run it. Middle of the battle, guns sound like drummers playing. NBA or the end that fell. Kill a victim, be a victim of the men that tell. Credit scams or fraud, walk the fool's route. One shot at college, bust at the school route. Only one choice left, I'm about to take this. I grab the mic and rap like a sprained wrist. Do I want to be the man or a man? The world was chasing dollars, only dollars can change this. Instead of options, I was opted shunned, and I still had to choose a path. Yeah, before the music, all the street options come. Only rap made sense, so yeah, I had to do the math. I'm free to be me. In the place of that ends, I found the whole way out. Now I'm breathing fresh breath like a Colgate out. Finally found my roll of riches when there was no way out. But the ground, there was no way out.
That boy good, that boy good.
They say the light don't shine on you, it shine in you. You can't take the light from me. It'll never happen. I shine not because I want to, I shine because I can't fucking help it. You understand? This next one we're gonna get into. This is called My Haters Love Me. Bring it back to the beginning. That's good. And hater, you love it when I'm around. You fake it. And hater, I love it cause this sound. Y'all not ready. Hold up. Turn up. Put it back. Turn up, nigga. Turn up. We about to bounce a little bit. Y'all ready to dance? Yeah. I don't hear nothing. Y'all ready to dance? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Give me. Hater, I love it. And hater, I love it. Cause this sound, listen, flex, flexing, not stressing. Lessons to bitches I'm texting. Fresher than a salad when I'm dressing. Looking in the water, God bless him. My haters love me. The power of a hater's confession. And only equal power to the next, man. When I'm a fucking haters, I'm a jet, man. First off, works off. Now you gotta put another day towards Bernie Madoff. Let's get rich, robbing the bar and days bored on their days off. It's insane, y'all. Crazy fucking world with an age board. Jacking the straight to the stage for. Pay back with the cake on my stage boss. Love for the least they pay for. Hard for my shit ain't paid for. Dave, y'all. Since I wage up, days just fall in the days, y'all. Still okay, y'all. To my bitches in my way, that because I'm moving away from the waves, y'all. Taking from us. Didn't say safe when the day covers. We pay for honors. Still my hunger when we eat stomach. Mama praying that's preach to us. Preach to us. You'll find the hunger. Her love, her works that we can do it. Need a plumber. Passion in my life, but price my life. We're speaking for us. It's each fluid. Drown. Why you wanna hate on the same balloon? I'll take it. That's the weed that I popped it and go out. I'm faded. Love the way I smoke it in public. If she fell, I'll get it. That bitch is my clubbing and right now I'ma take it. Only cause you want it. Look how fly I am. Like things when I buy my land. Why I land? What's the fucking time I land? When I fucking time my man on my island. Smoking that stuff my man. Smoking some guns my man. Y'all living while I sleep. In the city of the woo, red and blue, ain't dawned by the red, white and blues, and they call it chicken nails, so we living in the zoo, and I'm all that sicker than a flu. City of the skinny niggas die, I'm a skinny guy, watch how the skinny niggas move, excuse, hope you lose, inside the streets, you gon' die, you lose, dollar in a dream, half a nigga dollar in a dream, have a threesome, why you think agree, and I'm confident, come on, with a globe it seems, you don't feel nothing in a day, diamond in the rough, used to be rough, and get a diamond, now my shit looking rough, flexing, my diamond looking tough, arresting, all the bitches wanna come, hold that up, better guys hold that up, let's hope to the money we touch, we fucking with red lights at the bottom, hold up, roll that up, gotta glass hold that up, let's hope to the money we touch, we struggle with red lights at the bottom, now, only way to go is up. This one right here, this is something for the raw, little freestyle.
Oh shit! Isn't that shit, what?
Yeah. Look.
Get him!
Desolate hearts. Time's up like school clock. Time to die, you needin' your schedule sharp. Weather view dark. Fuck your life with war. War of sex is how picture the sexual arts. The ever move smart, but never too sharp. Get what you get when you fuck with sickness like this. I don't come with niggas that bitch I don't run. And then I cut ties for fun, just so I can separate two hearts. And you don't even know yourself. You'll be hard, expose yourself in street smarts. You puss with a smell like kush. Born shook and gon' cook in a pot full of street sharks. Yeah. Real boss make boss choices. Hear the voices. Knows if it's in town or just noises. Don't pull triggers, pull strings, and birds move things. I'm leaving pussy wet, not from just moistness. 10 fingers in my braids, connected to a bitch that behaves. Sitting sideways, getting crime pays. Every day it feel like God's fixing my days. Listen, I didn't try, didn't fly. I'm just the shit that ate off the flies. And this is why didn't I tell you niggas? Fuck moves bigger, I got mountains in my path and I'm getting by. But I ain't talking about just getting by. The world is mine, so how rich am I? It feels fine, out of the frying pan to the kitchen, y'all. Then I thank God, re-sentence, y'all. The world's mine. I'm still hungry like a kitchen block, colder than Alaska. But it's still mine. I grew up fast like this is mine. Didn't I tell you I'm getting by? It feels fine. See that you agree? Nigga, I'm a G. You ain't never seen a thing like this. Have been open like a key, smoking on your weed, listening to me. Yeah, until he get back, I'ma just spit that. This a true freestyle. Now let's get that. Matter of fact, I remember being young and dumb. After that, yeah, I remember my. They giving me one more, so right now I'm gonna get into a relationship joint. This one's called Window Seat. You should go. Playing a fucking, I'm lying. You living in your future, I'm probably stuck in my time. Even when you curving fellas, your attention make me jealous. Just from the simple thought of your sex is fucking my mind. If looks can kill her, legal touch have you dying. She heard her walk just from a strut, might have you crying. More priceless than everything that she buying. Illuminati smart, bottom dollar, I put my iron. We argued over focus, future, past. Tell me who wrote this, you should ask. We did it like some tokens, moving past. Stay together, I'll be hoping to just last. Hate is loud, but our love is what made us deaf to haters. There's a fork in like road that's about to separate us. I rap, you blessed with school, I get separate flavors. Your breath of fresh air just made me catch the vapors. Knowledge is power, love is strength. When your brain feels power, it says you can't. Left brain working, the right one ain't. Obligations left you powerless. Where's your strength? Think. And what strength without the power? She don't wanna see the best of her gone. I passed out like a faint. Paint the trees together and just to think. You threw your dreams in my eyes and I'm just crying from the pain. You should go, playing fuck it, I'm lying. You living in your future, I'm probably stuck in my time. Who knew it was so careless? You just like other fellas, and you knew it's more than sex with respect. And she said, fuck is you talking about? Since you left, heart's the only thing I walk without. You getting smart, the mood's in the coffin now. You acting different now, just to start. F checks, cars, clothes, chains. All I need is touch, and every day you stress. Please be use your brain. All you need is us. You see I love the way you smile from a touch in my hand. You look stupid, hollis smiles cause you a man. Can you see it in my style? I follow your demands. Be the woman that'll never leave again. Why can't I stay down? DJ, bring that back. I got a second verse. Bring it back.
Yeah! We all know it's stand down to make some noise.
She tells me that she never hold me back. We attract, we catch a buzz like birds and bees sipping cognac. So there he was, we the wine and you know that match. She a dime, spending time with the coldest sack. She hate these Tom and Jerry niggas cause they phony rats. Know these rat bastards like the feelings that her lonely gap needs. She's hooked and she is so attached. It's a movie scene when I swag, that's how she's supposed to act. She noticed that, I always notice facts. Cause my attention to her is more paid than Goldman Sachs. Dude shit it so she empty, feel like holy crap. Take her home cause we ain't leaving unless I'm rolling back. She hopped out her clothes like her clothes a trap. Animal side of her bare skin, baby show me that. Orgasm special, she tryna block them by holding back. The stars align, I kill that pussy through the zodiac. Obligations leaving complications, this ain't time you wasting. We made love on the constellations. You stopped all the shit and missed the constipation. Just like a cleaning spray, the way you do my spots amazing. Love doctor claim you busy, but that's not mistaken. You killing patience, cause I'm sick of waiting. Jacqueline hot now, please stop two-facing. You won't set this date, you gon' miss this operation. You should go, playing fucking online. You living in your future, so why you stuck in my time? Who knew you was so careless? You just like other fellas, and you knew it's more than sex, so it's special, that's why I'm crying.
Dude told me that his set was gonna be crazy. He said it's way and wide. Listen to what he's gonna walk up here and tell y'all.
One thing to say. Fuck money.
Yeah!
I'm rich in life and experience and in people. And in that way, I'm worth more than money. Fuck money. Y'all should do the same.